This is how to factory reset or hard reset. This is the LG K51 LMK500UM. LG K51. Let's get started. We're going to hold volume down and power at the same time. 1, 2, 3. As soon as we see the LG logo, I'm going to let go with power, re-hold with power, never letting go on the volume side. It's going to power cycle the logo one more time. I felt the vibration. Keep holding, don't let go, and now it enters the recovery mode. All right, from the recovery mode, we're going to wait for the Android recovery menu right there. Now with the volume keys, we're going to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset, and we're going to press OK with power. One more time, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. We use volume, factory data reset, and then OK with power. And down here, this is the first time it's ever given me that much data, and I'm gonna somewhere in here hope that it said wipe data complete, and now it's safe to reboot the system. We'll do that, and that is how you factory reset, hard reset your LG K51. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.